Let's explore the Chainmap function from the Collections module. This is a really great way to create an object from several dictionaries that you can query as if it was one dictionary. So we're going to start by creating two dictionaries, Dict1 and Dict2. And so Dict1 has the keys name and age, while Dict2 has the keys name and city. So now we can combine these dictionaries into an object using the Chainmap function. And we're going to call this dictionary combined. And so whenever you have overlapping keys, it's going to prioritize the first dictionary. So if we query this combined object for the key name, it's going to return Alice because that first dictionary was given the prioritization. And so now if we query other keys like age, which was from dictionary 1 originally, or city, which was from dictionary 2, we can access them seamlessly with this combined object. And so the chain map allows you to treat multiple dictionaries as a single combined dictionary, while also resolving key conflicts by taking the value from the first dictionary in the chain. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, and leave a comment letting me know what topic I should cover next.